So my Benny Gold tribal hats, I don't really know how to say it, Benny Gold 5-panel tribal hat, is it? I'm not sure, but anyway, yeah, it's come anyway, so I'm going to unbox it right now. So, but I got this from Karma Loop, so hang on. This is the limited edition one. Well, they say it is, but I don't actually think it is. But anyway, yeah, it's come. It's, that's nice. That is actually really, really nice. There's a bit of dirt on it, but that's fine. It's coming off. Yeah, that's the invoice. And yeah, here we go. That's so nice. There's a bit of card in it, and then just take that off. Yep. And here we go. That's beautiful. The reason I bought this is because just the color combination is so nice. The badge, it's like a dark blue. It looks really, really nice. On the computer screen it didn't look as good as this, but I have to say I'm actually very impressed. Sorry, I have a bit of a cold. And there's a Benny Gold tag. Yeah, I would definitely buy this. This cost me $36. This part here is really, really soft. It's really, really nice. This is my first 5-panel cap, and I'm actually really impressed with them. This is nice. Sorry, I'm not going to show you me wearing it because just privacy reasons, but here's the hat nevertheless. Thanks for watching.